So for this tutorial I'm gonna use a random cotton yarn I have got and 3.75 millimeter hook. It's a very easy one provided you follow the steps I'm gonna show you in a while. So we'll start as usual with a magic loop or a slip knot, the same way as always. I'm gonna chain 2, so 1 chain and 2 chain, and in the second chain from the hook I'm gonna make 10 single crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 'Make sure you hold on to the initial thread so you can tighten at the end of your circle. Okay, and now we have 10 single crochet. I'll join onto the first single crochet to close the first round. And this is our first round completed. Now we're going on to the next round by chaining 1, and I'll do 2 single crochet in every stitch. So this is 1 single crochet, I'll insert my hook, pull my yarn through and work my single crochet. Again in the same stitch, insert my hook, pull through and work my single crochet. On to the next one, same, 2 single crochet, I should end up with 20 single crochet. And then I'll join on top of the first single crochet or chain 1. So this is my second round completed. Now on to the next one where the work will be changed a bit, so I'll start again with a chain 1. So with every row we will be starting with the chain 1, and then we will follow with a 2 single crochet in every row. So 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and now we'll make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next one, and 1 single crochet in the next one. So the whole round will be 2 single crochet in one stitch and 1 single crochet in the following stitch. We'll alternate between 2 and 1 till the end of the round. Just follow till the end of the round so you know how to know your work is right or wrong, because there is always a reference on how to know if you're going the right way. Okay, so I'm doing my last stitch now, which is only 1 single crochet. So every time you start a row with 2 single crochet, the last one at the end should be 1 single crochet only. So you know that the alternation is wrong. So 2 1 2 1 2 1, and then you join with a slip. stitch, slip stitch. Okay. Now we're gonna increase the single crochet number. Means in the previous round what we did, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. Now what we're gonna do, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches. Means the next 2 stitches will have only 1 single crochet instead of 2. That means we're increasing the number of single crochet in the stitches to keep our circle flat. So again, chain 1, and as we said, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next one, 1 single crochet, in the next one, 1 single crochet, and in the next one, 2 single crochet. We repeat again. So I have done 2 single crochet here, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch again, and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So basically after the 2 single crochet I should have 1 single crochet here and another single crochet here, and then again 2 single crochet here. I hope it's clear for you. So 1, 1 and 2. 1, 1 and 2, 1, 1 and 2. That's how it's gonna be till the end. One, and join on top of the beginning work. And this is the flat circle that you will get. So basically what you need to do in every round, you chain 1 in the beginning row, you do 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and now in round 3 I'm gonna do 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and for row 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you increase the number of single crochet in every row by 1 to keep your circle flat. I hope it is clear this way. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. But for now, this is our tutorial, very easy to do. For beginners, you just need to take your time and just repeat the video until you get the hang of the single crochet circle. If you like to know how to make double crochet circle, I'll put the link in the description box and all the information required as well. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.